This is the first time we're having this package in Ghana, 24-hour unlimited internet data package at a price no other network offers. Here's what you get: unlimited data plus unlimited calls to all other networks for 24 hours at a cheaper price. Okay, right, so with this you can stream, download and browse non-stop without worrying about your data limits. Okay, this is brought to you by AirtelTigo Ghana. So I'm going to walk you through the steps to activate this unlimited plan. So if you run a service that you demand a lot of data within a day, then this video is right for you, because it's going to save you a lot of money, and then you're going to be able to run your services without all data caps or frustrations. Okay, to subscribe to this plan, the first thing we need to do is to open our Play Store. Just go to the search button and then search for AirtelTigo Ghana app. It is this one right here. Alright, so this is the official app, so click on it to open it, and this is going to bring you to your interface. I'm already registered with the app, so if this is the first time you are using AirtelTigo app, they will request you to enter your mobile number, and then they're going to send you an OTP to do the verification. It's a straightforward thing, so you will not be stressed at all. So once you are done logging in with your mobile number, this is going to be your dashboard. It's going to contain your balances and other information about you. Right, so with this there are a lot of things we can do here, so we are just going to go ahead and click on the button buy internet. So they have a lot of data offers, but we are going to scroll all the way to unlimited data bundle. So you click on it now. These are the offers. So you have, for the first one, that is unlimited data, which goes for 25 Ghana cedis for 24 hours. The second one, you have unlimited daily data and calls to all networks for 30 Ghana cedis, which also goes for 24 hours. The third one is for unlimited night data, and then the last one, unlimited night data and calls to all networks. Now you can choose your preferred package and then proceed to buy. If you want to buy for a different number other than your own number, you can slide this gear on and enter the person's contact here. Other than that, just slide it off. So if you want to buy for your own number, make sure you have 25 Ghana cedis on your balance before you click on the buy internet button. That's the red button right here. Okay, so it is straight away. So the moment you click on it, is just going to deduct the 25 Ghana cedis and then credit you your data package for the 24 hours. Okay, right. So that is how to buy unlimited data package in Ghana if you are an AirtelTigo user. Okay, so I think the other networks don't have this kind of offer, so it is a great opportunity for us. Maybe at the moment they are running this promo, maybe you can grab the promo now before it ends. Okay, this is a legitimate way to get unlimited data in Ghana. There is no tricks about it. Okay, all right, so before I go, if you don't understand what unlimited data means, what it means is that, you see, whenever you buy a data package, they kind of give you a cap. That is, they put you at a certain amount of data to be used within a certain period of time. But when it comes to unlimited data, they can give you a period that it can end, but they don't give you a fixed number. That is, there is no cap. All right, so I've just taken my time to introduce you to unlimited data package in Ghana. All right, so make sure you go ahead and read their fair usage policies and their terms and conditions before you go ahead and make a decision to buy any package on your own here. Okay, so if this video helped you a lot, please subscribe, like this video, share, and then come back next time again, and then hope to see you in the next video. And stay safe and goodbye for now.